So today we'll be talking about the coursework for the subject mobile interactive systems. The problem statement for this coursework is we have to develop an online shopping app which is designed to order the custom printed t-shirts. Okay. So let's have a look of this the demonstration of this app. So I'll run this app in the emulator which I have designed. It uses API level 30. So on installing the app, the screen, this welcome screen will open. It gives a basic idea about the app. So my app launches in the registration activity, but in this registration activity, if I have checked that if the user is logged in for first time, then he goes to the this activity which contains those screens. Okay, and when this button is clicked, get started button is clicked, it takes us back to this registration activity. If the user is already registered, we can go to this sign in page and enter the details. But now let's start with creating a demo user. Okay, I have put some validations over here. If it is empty, it will give error. If it is the length is not fixed, it will give error. Now the user is registered. For the database purposes, I have used at the backend for registration and login. Your Firebase authentication is used, and to store the data, Firestore is used, and this Firebase storage is used to store the images. Let's quickly go back to the app. Okay, upon the registration, the app logs you in with this method because the user is already authenticated. This is the sign out button on the application. So let's test this login also. GME and the password login. Okay, so in this application, I have used a cart to order the multiple products. This I have also taken care of the navigation of the app. That comes under the usability. The user can shop by categories, and then you can also browse some new products, and the products which are most purchased and they are popular will display here. Also, we can see all of the products from this pane. Let's make an order and see the design. So let's select this design and okay, once uploaded, now we have the option to buy, add to cart or buy now. Now we'll buy this product. We'll see the add to cart later on. So let's go to buy now. Now as we are a new user, we need to add the address. So address will be Pratik. Postcode is NG7. The address is added. Now we have to select the address. Now we have to select the address, but before that, let me explain you some of the logic from the code. Like I have used the model. We are on address. Let's get to it. Like I've used the model classes to use it as a data source, and also use the activity. It uses the recycler view to display the items, and the XML code is to visualize the item. the code to visualize how it will look and where the options will be placed, buttons and all. Then the adapter and view holder are used to render the item. It is for address, it is here. And also then we can bind the adapter to data source to populate the recycler view. Okay, now going back here. Now I need to go to the payment option. I will select this and I've written the function here. See, on click of pay button. So here, while clicking pay button, I am sending the data to our next activity. Continue. Here we are getting the price, and it also carries uh, several data with it to place the order. On clicking checkout button in the payments activity, when we go to here, you go to payments activity, it takes me to the payment gateway, and when the payment is success, payment method, when the payment is success, my order is placed. So I'll show you the demo of the payment. I have to add the card in it. I'll use the test card given by the payment gateway. Okay, I'll pay this payment. Now I will get an OTP on my phone. That is 2788. Okay, upon the success payment successful, order placed. This code is executed. So now going to the database, we can see our order. Let me refresh it. And user address. Okay, this is the his order, and this is the image that we uploaded as a custom design. This is the image we can see. Now let's test if our order goes into the cart. So suppose this is the product. I have used the design. Let's design this one. Add to cart. We go into the cart. We are placing this order from the cart. Buy now. Select the address. Continue to payment. Again, if we do the payment, then order will be placed. Payment is taking time. So this is another third party library we are redirected onto. Success. The order is placed. You can see the order from cart as well.